In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add automatic chapters to your video in Descript. Chapters are those handy jump points that let viewers skip straight to the parts they care about, improve watch time, and make your content easier to navigate. Descript includes a simple AI feature that creates them for you, and the process only takes a moment. Start by heading to Descript, either in the desktop app or in your browser. Once you're in, decide whether you want to work on something new or pick up where you left off. If you already have a video in progress, select it from your recent projects so you can keep everything in one place. If you're starting fresh, open a new edit so the project has a timeline and a transcript for the AI to analyze. Either way, the key is to be inside the project you want to chapterize. With your project open, look for the AI Tools area. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the sidebar or in the top toolbar. This is where Descript groups all of its smart helpers, and it includes the option we need today. Open AI Tools and choose Add Chapters. That tells Descript to scan your video's structure, detect topic changes, and prepare time-stamped sections with clear labels. Now give it a moment to work. You'll see a brief progress indicator while Descript processes your transcript and timeline. The time this takes usually depends on the length of your video and how much dialogue it contains. Keep the project open while it runs and let the AI finish the analysis. When the generation completes, you're done. Your chapters will appear in your project, mapped to the relevant moments so viewers can jump around quickly. They're especially helpful for tutorials, interviews, webinars, and product demos, where the structure naturally breaks into segments. Clear audio and descriptive on-screen cues can improve results because the AI leans on your transcript and pacing to figure out where sections begin and end. If you're working with long-form content, the AI may group topics into broader sections, while shorter clips might only get a handful of jump points. The labeling is based on your spoken words and structure, so clear topic transitions and concise segment intros can help the system produce chapter titles that make instant sense to viewers. That's the entire process. Go to Descript, open the project you want, head to AI Tools, select Add Chapters, wait a moment, and you're all set. With chapters in place, your content becomes more scannable, more professional, and more enjoyable to watch.